Welcome from my tiny kitchen. Watch this video and learn how to make this creamy and classic dessert that's really easy to make, and the secret to avoid getting the vanilla beans stuck at the bottom. These are the ingredients for the vanilla bean panna cotta. Remember that the recipe is in the description. Start by blooming the gelatine. Add cold water into a bowl, then place in the gelatine sheets one at a time. Keep aside for use later. Into a medium-sized saucepan, add in the milk, followed by the double cream and the sugar. A quick mix to dissolve the sugar, and then cook on medium heat until the cream just starts to simmer before turning the stove off. Squeeze out the excess water from the gelatine leaves before adding in and mix gently. And then mix in a teaspoon of vanilla bean paste or vanilla extract. So the secret to avoid getting that translucent line and having the vanilla beans stuck at the bottom is to cool the mixture to room temperature and then place in the refrigerator to slightly thicken, stirring periodically to avoid setting. The result is a beautiful, evenly spread and flavored dessert. These are the ingredients for the strawberry jelly. Remember that the recipe is in the description. Start by blooming the gelatine, that is to add cold water into a bowl and then place in the sheets one at a time. Leave to stand for use later. In the meantime, add strawberry juice and sugar to a medium saucepan. Mix to dissolve the sugar and then turn off the heat just when it starts to simmer. Squeeze out the excess water from the gelatine leaves, add it to the strawberry juice mix and mix together to dissolve. When ready, remove from the heat and leave to cool for use later. This is the texture of the panna cotta to aim for, a thick, gloopy-like mixture that hasn't fully set yet. For that angled effect, prop glasses at an angle in a baking tray with the help of a tea towel or napkin. Using a jug or piping bag, divide the panna cotta mix between 4 glasses. Then place in the refrigerator to set. When firm, remove the napkin and pour in the strawberry jelly. Then place in the refrigerator for the jelly to set. For the chocolate garnish, melt 50 grams of white chocolate. Sprinkle and then brush on some edible gold powder on baking paper, and then spread a thin layer of the white chocolate. When the chocolate has almost set, cut out discs using a round cutter that is slightly smaller than the rim of the glass. Then cut out about an inch-sized circle within that. Leave to set before gently removing. To assemble this beautiful dessert, add chopped strawberries followed by the white chocolate garnish, edible flowers and mint.